Welcome back to Jeff Outdoors. It is Sunday, March 27th, here in northern Ohio. We have a view here looking out towards the lake out back, and it is essentially a whiteout out there. We are getting some spring snow still. We had snow yesterday, but not like today. It really started hitting. And most of this would be probably categorized as lake effect, which we do get off of Lake Erie, down this way, as we're just south of the lake. And just watching this all morning, having breakfast and coffee, and the birds going back and forth to the bird feeders. It's been a pretty relaxing morning. Spring snows. Here comes a squirrel to meet up all his squirrel buddies. Have a blessed day.